Hi, this is the Red Magic 8 Pro and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first open the phone application, then tap here to these three dots and click to check out the intercepted phone. Switch code to the settings and tap to numbers in blacklist. To remove these numbers from here, you should just tap on the number and click here, just remove from blacklist. Confirm your action and that's it. You could add by the same way, just by click to add button or to remove the another numbers from here by the same way. Click on the number, tap remove from blacklist and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.